What's up? This is Tyler East, and this is the product of the year, at least in my mind. This is always my favorite product because of the rookie patch autographs, the on-card true rookie card patch autographs. So, just very looking forward to opening this. Last year, my first box, I got a Greg Olson 3-color patch autograph rookie card. The second one was a Jamarcus Russell redemption for a rookie card patch autograph. And then the third one was a Chris Cooley Letterman. Not as good, but 3 autographs in every box. And at least a by the letter autograph card or a signed memorabilia card. Hopefully the rookie autographs, I think those come like 9 in a 12 box case this year. So a little more frequent than last year. Hopefully have a nice one in here. Here we go. 3 rows of packs, 24 packs in a box, and 3 autographs. So we'll go ahead and start. Thick packs. Looks like it's got a filler. You can see the brown card in the middle right there, so it should be pretty easy to pick out the one that's not after it's open. Willis McGahee, D'Amico Ryans, Jamarcus Russell, Peyton Manning, and Plexico Burress. Another filler. Ray Lewis, Torrey Holt, a rookie authentics card of Reggie Smith, rookie card, numbered out of 1399. Ed Reed, Vince Young, and Ray Lewis. Another filler. Trent Edwards, Ronald Curry, Brandon Marshall, Jay Cutler, and Steven Jackson. I like the look of the base cards too. Another filler there. Fred Taylor, Antonio Cromartie. It's a little hard to read the names over here. Devin Hester, Derek Anderson, Adrian Peterson. And that's another filler there. Antonio Gates, Drew Brees, Reggie Wayne, Joey Galloway, Jason Campbell, Antonio Gates, Drew Brees, Reggie Wayne, and Joey Galloway. JT O'Sullivan, Brian Dawkins, Willie Parker, Michael Turner, and Ernest Graham. Another filler. Antonio Pierce, TJ Houshmandzadeh, Tom Brady, Jeremy Shockey, Terrell Owens, another filler. Anquan Bolden, Brandon Jacobs, autograph, rookie authentics Frank Oakham of the Texans, 1045 of 1199, decent on-card autograph. Don't know who Frank Oakham is though. And it doesn't say a round number or anything like that, just number 97, Frank Oakham, Rookie Authentics autograph. The rest of the pack, Jason Witten, Clinton Portis, Anquan Bolden. So that was my first out of 3 autographs. Filler. Phillip Rivers, Jake Delhomme, Calvin Johnson, Marshawn Lynch, Chad Ochocinco. It actually says it on the card. That's so stupid. Phillip Rivers. And that's that pack. Another filler. Willis McGahee, D'Amico Ryans. Again, it's hard to read the names over there. More times than not, looking at the players, see who it is. Eli Manning, Brett Favre, Frank Gore, another filler. Brian Urlacher, Matt Schaub, Rookie Authentics, Clifton Smith of $9.99, lower than the others. Greg Jennings, Chris Cooley, another filler. Reggie Bush, Jarius Norwood, Lindell White, Donovan McNabb, Lance Briggs, another filler. Braylon Edwards, Tony Romo, another Rookie Authentics, Corey Lynch of $13.99 for the Bengals, Jamarcus Russell, Peyton Manning, another filler. Larry Johnson, Joseph Adai. There's an autograph right there. Craig Steltz of the Bears of $11.99. It's another decent on-card autograph, and another one I don't know. I do not know Craig Steltz. Number 20. Looks like, I guess, a safety maybe. Again, it doesn't say round number or anything, just Craig Steltz of the Bears. Oh, $7.92 of $11.99. On-card autograph, rookie card. And the rest of the pack, Marion Barber, Nate Clemens, and Larry Johnson.